You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. If today is your first time of seeing my channel, do well by subscribing. All you need to do is click on the red subscribe button and do not forget to click on the notification bell. There's a cap beside the subscription button. Click on it and click on all so that you get to see all my videos. Anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. All right, and please do not forget to like this video. Please, it's very important to every content creators. All right, so let's assume that I have 1,000 likes on this video. Okay, 1,000 views. I have 1,000 views and only like 50 people liked the video. You're indirectly telling YouTube that the video is not worth it. You're indirectly telling YouTube that the video is only loved by only 50 people, meaning that the 950 people left do not appreciate the video. So because of this, YouTube will keep it aside, and then many other people will not be able to see the video, and many other people will not, have the chance to learn from this same channel. And also, as a content creator, my channel will also not be able to grow. Okay, please let this channel grow by liking the video. Any video you watch, even not from me, from other content creators, please appreciate them by just liking the video, by clicking that thumbs up. So, and I hope you're going to like the video right now. Just click on the like button, click on it, not the down button, the up button. Click on it, like the video, subscribe to my channel if you're yet to subscribe, and then share the video with friends. Comment in the comment section. So bye bye. So let's continue. I thought I'm done with the video. All right, so let's get into the detail of the video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make another beautiful portable sized purse, or you can call it side bag. All right, crossbody bag. Okay, so now this is the material I'll be using. I'm going to be using this leather material. Okay, and then I have 9.2 by 14.1 inches. Okay, so you can decide to make yours bigger. So, and also I'm using the same lining, and the lining is the same size as the bag, as the main body itself. All right, so okay, and then I'm going to be using this zip cloth. Okay, so currently I'm running an 8 weeks online training on Telegram. So if you're interested, we'll soon be through with this badge. Okay, the current badge. So if you're interested in the forthcoming one in August, you can WhatsApp me on 08036588365. Okay, so and the training fee is just 10,000 naira. So if you're interested, so you can start your registration now for early birds. All right, so let's get into the video. So this is the right side of the material. Okay, and then this is my zip cloth. Okay, this is the wrong side of my zip cloth, the right side is facing down. Okay, so I'll leave some excess, and then this is my lining. Okay, this is the right side, and then this is the wrong side. So the wrong side is facing I'm the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to top stitch. All right, So I'm using a leather material, and then this is lining. Okay. All right. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be fixing my zip head. Okay. I'm using this fancy zip head. All right. So now you turn it inside out, right? So now the next thing I will be doing is I'm going to be fixing my zip. No, I'm not fixing my zip. I'm going to be fixing this. Okay, so I want, this is D-ring. Okay, small D-ring. So cut a material that is sufficient for you, like this. Cut it, and then I think this is about, this is 0.7 inches by 2.6 inches. Okay, so you need two of it, and then you need two D-ring. So I'm going to be fixing it here like this, at this. All right, so I'm also coming to this side and fix the other one as well. Okay, still top stitch. So I'm leaving this side, okay, for the turning. So you just open your zip cloth a bit so as to be able to turn it. Just carefully turn it. All right. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be stitching the little space left for the turning. Okay. So do like this and top stitch it. All right. See what we have here. This is what we have. Okay, so this can serve as a purse and as a side bag. So as a side bag, when you fix your chain, so this is my chain. Join my Telegram class for just 10,000 naira, where I teach you to become a profitable bag maker. I will teach you from the scratch how to start making bag, even if you have never made a bag before, even if you don't know how to match machine, everything that you need to know, I'm going to teach you. So if you're interested, you can WhatsApp me on 080-365-88365. So just close it back. So you can see what I have. So this can serve as a side purse, crossbody bag, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching my video. See you in my next video. Do not forget to like this video, comment in the comment section. Alright, so and then let me show you another thing. If you don't want to fix your chain directly to it, you can actually use hook. Okay, you can use hook. Let me show you. Alright, so you can decide to fix this hook first of all, like here. Okay, but this is no, make sure you get a matching color. This is gold. Since you're using silver, you must get silver hook. Okay. Alright, so now instead of, if you're using this, you can now fix your chain directly to this so that you can always detach it. Okay, this can be easily removed. Okay, and you can still do it like this. Alright, so see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.